Are you struggling to make your broilers grow faster, healthier, and with less mortality? In this video, I'm going to share with you a complete weekly booster program for broilers from day 1 all the way to 6 weeks, including baking soda, natural herbs, vitamins, and proteins. Let's dive in. On week 1, we want a strong start from day 1 to day 7. On arrival, give your chicks sugar or glucose water for the first 8 hours to restore energy from transport stress. Then for immunity, prepare garlic water. You crush 5 grams of garlic per liter and give it for 3 days in the week. And add vitamin electrolyte solution 2 days in the week to help chicks cope with stress, and feed only starter mash, fresh and clean water. On week 2, you will be focusing on gut and growth foundation. Give ginger and garlic tea. You will boil equal parts, cool it, and add 10 milliliters per 1 liter. You do it 3 times in the week. This strengthens digestion and immunity. Offer probiotics or yogurt water for 2 days to improve gut health. Why we are focusing on gut is because we want the gut to have a well-developed villi. This helps in absorbing nutrients from feed, ensuring broilers gain weight faster and efficiently. Poor gut health means feed is wasted, leading to high feed conversion ratio and slower growth. Mix turmeric powder into feed 2 grams per kg 3 times in the week. Add vitamin C once in the week for stronger resistance. Then introduce baking soda 0.5 grams per liter 1 day in the week. It improves digestion and balances body pH. On week 3, this is the rapid growth phase from day 15 to day 21. You give aloe vera juice 15 milliliters per liter 2 days in the week. This supports digestion and liver healthy. Mix papaya leaf powder 2% into feed. It boosts digestion and disease resistance. And use electrolytes once in the week to prevent dehydration. Add turmeric with a pinch of black pepper in feed 2 grams per kg. Give baking soda 0.5 grams per liter 2 days in the week, especially in hot weather. On week 4 is the weight booster phase from day 22 to day 28. Add extra protein into feed, fish meal or soya meal, 5 to 10%. Continue with garlic and ginger water 3 days in the week. Provide a vitamin plus mineral mix 2 days in the week. And add baking soda 0.5 to 1 gram per liter 2 days in the week to improve growth and manage heat stress. On week 5, for muscle building from day 29 to day 35, mix turmeric into feed 2 to 3 grams per kg for muscle growth and immunity. Give aloe vera juice 20 milliliters per liter 2 days in the week, and add extra protein source like fish meal or soya to the feed. Add baking soda 0.5 grams per liter 3 days in the week. This supports and helps birds cope with stress. On week 6, the finisher phase from day 36 to day 42. Continue ginger plus garlic water for 3 days in the week. Give papaya leaf 2 days in the week for parasites or disease control. Offer vitamin C once before marketing to reduce stress. Feed finisher mash plus a little crushed maize for extra energy. Add baking soda 0.5 to 1 gram per liter 2 days in the week to enhance growth and meat quality. And make sure you always alternate boosters. Don't mix herbs, vitamins, and baking soda all on the same day. Stop giving herbs and baking soda 2 to 3 days before slaughter to keep the meat tasting natural. Always use clean, fresh water before and after each booster. And remember, good brooding and management are just as important as boosters. So that's the complete 6-week broiler booster program using baking soda, natural herbs and supplements. If you follow this, you will have healthy and profitable birds by market day. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe and share with other farmers. Till next time, peace, love and light.